In this video, we will learn how to give feedback to your student submissions using the feedback mechanism on Sanako Connect. When your students complete an exercise using Sanako Connect and submit it back to you for review and feedback, you can find it from the Submissions tab. This menu item is located in the top navigation bar in the Teacher's view. You can view individual student submissions by clicking on the exercise in question, followed by the student name. You can play back any audio files, read their written submissions, and so forth. You can view the submissions for each assignment exercise, by student, or by answers. Viewing them by answers shows you the answers from the whole class for each section under this particular assignment. Viewing them by student allows you to review each student's work separately. You can provide your students with feedback for each exercise they submit. Start by clicking on Feedback button. You can provide your feedback in written form, record your feedback as audio, or even provide it in both formats. When you're ready to display the feedback to this particular student, click on Show Feedback to Student. Note, remember to click on the Show Feedback to Student button. Otherwise, your feedback stays in draft mode and is not yet visible for the student. This step is added to secure that unpolished feedback is not shown by accident to your students. If a student doesn't remember to submit their work back to you, you can always click on Collect to receive their work. This collects the assignment as it is at that moment, letting you to review all the answers the student did answer, even though they may not have completed the full assignment. When using the Advanced Recorder feature, teachers can provide exact feedback for students' pronunciation with time-coded text and voice feedback. The teacher can add text and audio to the timeline, which allows for detailed feedback. The student can then view the feedback and listen to the audio comments. So now you're ready to provide feedback on your student submissions. In our next and final video, we will look at some self-study options, the difference between live and asynchronous classes explained.